Those, son.
Oh, cool, thanks.
We can't have those. Move out of the way. Let me get a picture of it. Just for a second. I can't see past you, son. Oh. Excuse you. Excuse you. Got a good steel going there, don't they? He's already had enough of it.
That's the Civil War.
What are they putting on the door? What does it say on the door, Matt?
2 arms, 2 arms, 2 arms.
2 arms, 2 arms.
2 arms. When I was on the board.
Mm-hmm.
You didn't know, Bill.
2 arms, 2 arms, 2 arms.
Said, have killed 99,385.
It's not Davy Crockett.
Oh. Look at that.
It's Archibald Tolley.
Okay, I'll come back on.
And he says, well, that's just great. Just as I start recording, the light goes out.
Open sesame.
He killed 99 to 385 bears in his 91 years of life.
Yeah.
Is that what it said?
Yep. 91 years ago. That's how he must have died.
Look at there.
That's good.
All right.
Did you record this site?
The Yanks are coming to arms. Rally around the motherland, boys. Protect your families and moms. The South needs strong men like you, and you, Saw. Rally around the stars and bombs. We're winning, but we need your help. Rally around the flag, boys. To arms.
Oh, here's inside the house. Get that one.
I did.
Inside the house.
Independence?
Yeah.
Is that what he's doing?
Robert E. Lee carried 2 banners towards fame and immortality. First, as a soldier, he was a man of supreme ability. Second, he was a man of rare integrity and a great spiritual force. He is shown here with Stonewall Jackson, his most valued general, and Confederate President Jefferson Davis. General Lee emerged from the Civil War not as a vanquished commander, but as one of the great heroes of American history. He is buried in the Washington and Lee University Chapel in nearby Lexington.
And we're done.
Real.